Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to end a listing on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in using your credentials. You can continue using your email or username, or continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple. But if it's your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on create an account, and you can choose the type of account you wanted to open. Is it going to be personal, business, and all you're going to do is provide your full legal name, email, password, or simply you can continue with Google, Facebook, and Apple. And by clicking the create account button, you will be forwarded to your main dashboard. Now, once you are here, all you're going to do is go to the upper right corner in where it says My eBay. And then you need to hover down into the section called Selling. Now, ending a listing is a very straightforward process. You can end an eBay fixed price listing at any time. But do remember that auction listings can only be ended early in certain situations. Now, from here, in your dashboard, basically you have the access to your active listings, sold, unsold. And if for some reason you have all the items here, say for example your sold items, there should be an option for you to click on the specific listing in the upper right. Click on that and you would have the option to click the end a listing. All right, it's the same process for active. All you're gonna do is click that certain listing. In the upper right option right here, you could click on end the listing. Now, if for some reason you have like a draft items, which has been hanging like forever, all you're gonna do is you have the option to resume or just delete. It's the same process as ending a listing, which is active, sold, or unsold. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. But again, I'd like to stress out that if you have or encounter any problems with ending a listing on your account, say for example it's not moving forward or there's no progress, all you're gonna do is click on the help and contact button in the right, in the upper portion, wherein you can just simply type in these guide, and all you're gonna do is find the certain guide here that could help you end an eBay fixed price listing at any time. And again, auctions listings can only be ended early in certain situations. All right, click on that and you would be able to do so, ending a listing in Seller Hub or in My eBay. See you in the next video.